Talk to me about Dublin Central then. Who are the runners and riders then for that by-election?
Well, who was the person who just missed out on the last seat in the general election this time last year? The one and only Monk. People may not have twigged this immediately with Paschal's departure, but could the Monk, who got 3,000 first preferences, re-emerge? I don't think so is my gut, but watch that space.
Yeah, two things there. One is the bar a by-election is so much higher because there's only one seat up for grabs.
It's not first past the post, but it's closer to it.
Yeah,
you have to have a big first preference.
Yeah, so where Gerry Hutch did very well across the constituency as a whole, you'd wonder, was he capped out at that, and could he rise further? And you could see the same thing happening, that everybody, he would just be beaten on transfers. The other issue is, and this goes back to reporting in the Sunday World and the Sunday Independent at the weekend, he's got a Criminal Assets Bureau bill coming at him. In order to take up a seat as a TD, you have to be tax compliant. So that will be an interesting dynamic there too.